Good afternoon, student. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, are you ready for revision? Today we are going to revise the chapter 18. So, one by one I'll ask you. Before that, please write down today's word of the day. Today's word of the day. Unanimous. Write fast or take a screenshot. It is an adjective having the same opinion. So, unanimously, unanimous, 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 unanimous. Okay? Having the same opinion. Having the same opinion. Take a screenshot after completing my class. Write down in your diary. Okay? So, today's riddle of the day. Riddle of the day. Last week, the riddle of the day was, what is always in front of you but cannot be seen? So the correct answer is the future, that I have already given. So today's riddle of the day is, I am clean when I am black, dirty when I am white. What am I? What am I? Not Risha. Anyone? Anyone? Always Risha is ready to give these answers. So think about it, children. I am clean when I am black. Anya, do you know the answer? Chaitya, you have raised your hand, okay? Let's see, Chaitya Jain.
Ma'am, blackboard.
Correct answer. Darshil, you also know the answer? Yes, Darshil?
Ma'am, blackboard.
Yes, correct. So ये आंसर्स बहुत जन को पता है. So it is correct answer, absolutely correct. I am clean when I am black, dirty when I am white. What I am? The correct answer is a blackboard. So I hope you have written the word of the day and riddle of the day is also completed. So next I am going to share MCQs type questions from chapter 18 and one by one I will ask you. So be ready. First, Akshar,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the word
What?
sign language? What is the word
Yes, ma'am.
sign language?
मैम पहले मैं ऑप्शंस पढ़ लेता हूँ.
Yes.
हैंड एंड फिंगर्स. मैम हैंड एंड फिंगर्स signs used by deaf and dumb to communicate with other.
Yes. So three options are there. Hand and finger sign.
Number
By
1.
deaf and dumb communicate with others. Next, strong and none of these. So your answer is correct. After giving the answer, please mute yourself. अपने आप म्यूट हो जाओ. लक्ष्य. Laksh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Nidhi needs to send a parcel to her brother in US. She can use a or an airmail, email, railway mail, all of these. Which is the correct answer? Laksh.
1 second, ma'am. 1 second.
Yes. Nidhi needs to send a parcel to her brother in US, not India. Is abroad. So she can use
ma'am, airmail.
airmail.
Ma'am, all of these.
No, all of these. Airmail
Oh,
is the correct answer. Airmail, email, railway mail, all of these. रेलवे मेल में तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, तो ऑल ऑफ दिस कैसे होगा? सो करेक्ट आंसर इज एयर मेल.
मैम मैं अभी तक क्यों नहीं आ पा.
दर्शिल.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash delivers letter to our houses.
Ma'am, postman.
Correct. Next, it is very easy question. Anya.
Yes.
Which of the following are means of mass communication? Which of the following are means of mass communication? Internet, radio, newspaper, telephone, card, television. Mass communication.
Means?
Mass communications means not only a single person, thousands persons.
Okay.
More than 10,000 persons want to communicate each other. So which options they will choose? Radio, newspaper, telephone, postcard, television, internet. A, D, E, F, I. Option B, G, E. Option C, E only. And option D, I, E, G only.
I think
Okay, think about it. No issue. Aditya. I will tell you answer. Wait for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya. Can you give me the answer? Mass communication. You don't know? Okay, I'll tell you answer. Mass communication means you can use internet for communicating the people. You can use radio, that is also communicating. You can use newspaper and as well as telephone and telegraph. So telephone you can communicate only one single person. But if you communicate a mass, अगर बहुत ज्यादा पीपल के साथ आप कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हैं तो आपको टेलीविजन की जरूरत पड़ेगी. आप टेलीविजन में एक मैसेज दोगे तो लाखों लोगों को पता चल जाएगी एक बार में. दैट इज मास कम्युनिकेशन. as well as internet, as well as रेडियो. आप रेडियो में कोई भी प्रोग्राम में कोई भी मैसेज आप देना चाहते हो तो वो मैसेज मास कम्युनिकेशन में स्प्रेड हो जाता है. सो एंड एज वेल एज न्यूज़पेपर में भी आप मास कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हो. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज D, E, F and I means internet, radio, newspaper, television. That is the correct option. Next, Vidit. FM and AM. FM and AM, the term used with regard to phone services, time, radio, TV. ये FM और AM
क्या ये लिखा देख भी नहीं सकते
मैम इसका मतलब
are the term used with regard
देख के भी नहीं लिख सकता तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? अरे
is the correct
मैम
answer.
इसका मतलब
कौन लगता है?
Okay, correct answer is radio. आप रेडियो में सुनते नहीं हो? FM रेडियो मिर्ची बोलते हैं ना? FM ये वर्ड यूज होता है अगर आप रेडियो सुनोगे तो. So these words are related to radio. Okay, next, Avishi.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
Deaf and dumb people communicate through language.
Through, not through dash language.
Braille. Ma'am, Braille.
No, Braille is for blind people. The correct answer is sign language. Correct answer is sign language. Deaf and dumb people communicate through sign language. Okay? Soham.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
We say many things even without.
Which is the correct answer? Soham. We say many things even without speaking or listening.
Speaking.
Speaking, correct answer. Without speaking, we can say many things with the help of our gesture, with the help of sign language. We can explain many things. Okay? Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question. Today's world depends mainly on. Today's world depends mainly on post, telephone, internet, all of these.
Ma'am, internet.
Correct. Risha Jain. Risha Jain. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
Dash and dash photos. Dash and dash phones help us to talk to our distant friend with and relatives almost immediately. Telephone, mobile.
Correct answer. Dash and dash phones, not photos. Phones
Excuse me, ma'am.
help us to talk to our distant friend and relatives almost immediately. Yes, Visha, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो.
मैम जो आप हमें वर्ड ऑफ द डे लिखाते हो उसमें हमें पूरा वो भी लिखना है क्या जो वर्ड मीनिंग है कि सिर्फ वर्ड लिखना है?
वर्ड मीनिंग ऑल्सो. मैं सिर्फ वर्ड दिखाने के लिए लिखी हूँ. You should know the meaning also, not only word.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Mahi,
Yes, ma'am.
read the question.
The meaning of SMS dash. So short message, small message, size message, small message service.
Are you sure?
No. Yes, ma'am.
I have given this question from your book. So again, please repeat the answer. Mahi, please repeat the answer. Small message at service.
Small message. Yes.
No, wrong answer. Short message service.
Short message service.
The full form of SMS, short message service. Next, Kavisha.
What is the word meaning of this?
Now, Mahi, mute yourself. Mahi, mute yourself. Kavisha,
Yes, ma'am.
read the question.
What is word meaning of grace?
Gesture. What is the word meaning of gesture? Come on, fast. What is the word meaning of gesture?
Swaying through
Facial.
by
Facial.
facial exam.
Expression.
Exam.
Expression.
Expression. Ma'am,
Movement
first
of,
one meaning.
movement of hand.
Ma'am, first.
And another is soft. So correct answer is first one. Okay,
First.
saying through
Yes,
facial
ma'am.
expression, movement of hand, etc. Okay. Next, Dharya. Read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
Which one of the
Read the question. Which one of the following is means of communication? Telephone, mobile, both of these, and bus. Come on, tell me, Dharya. I'm waiting for your answer. Dharya. Your voice is not coming. Your voice is not coming. Dharya. Okay. Ansh Jain. Ansh Jain. Read the question. Read the question.
Which one of the following is a means of communication? Ma'am, it's mobile phone.
And telephone? Is not
Yes,
used
ma'am.
for communication.
Both A and D, ma'am. Both A
Yes.
and D.
Yes, both A and B is the correct answer. Both A and B in the correct answer. Tanish Jain. Tanish Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash and dash people use sign language to talk to one another.
And blank and ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, deaf and dumb.
Correct.
Is very useful.
Mute yourself, Tanish. After giving the answer, please mute yourself. Kashvi. Kashvi. Kashvi, can you hear me? Yes, read the question. Kashvi, read the question. Yes, Kashvi. Dash is very useful of communication for people working in police and army. Your voice is not coming. Arya Jain. Arya Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the question. Question number 14.
Is very useful for the combination for the people
Dash is very useful for communication for the people working in police and army. Read the question properly. Again, read the question, Arya.
is very useful for
Which is the correct option? Newspaper, wireless communication, telephone, telegram. बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल कम्युनिकेशन कौन सा है? न्यूज़पेपर, wireless communication, telephone, telegram.
communication.
Huh? Wireless communication. Correct answer. Wireless communication. Because they cannot carry phone, land phone or telephone. So wireless communication. Telephone they can easily communicate. They can easily carry because it is also wireless communication. So जो भी wireless communication है उनके लिए बहुत ज्यादा helpful होता है. चैत्य जैन. चैत्य जैन. Chaitya, read the question. Read the question. Select the odd one out among the following. Select the odd one out among the following.
Newspaper.
Radio, newspaper, television, telephone.
Newspaper.
No. Radio used for mass
Television.
communication. Radio used for mass communication. Newspaper also used for mass communication. Television also used for mass communication. But telephone is not used for mass communication. So which one is odd? Telephone is odd.
Telephone.
Yes, because telephone is not used for mass communication. है ना? Yes, Kavisha.
मैम आपने
Tell me fast. बोलो कविशा. Again your voice is not coming. Yes, Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
You have raised your hand. Any query?
नो मैम. मैम मुझे मैथ्स का मतलब नहीं समझ आ रहा था, आपने पहले बताया तो मैं समझ गया था.
Okay, okay. So please complete this chapter. Learn all the question answer also, fill ups, MCQs type questions, and first of all, read the chapter thoroughly. Okay. Kashvi, your voice is not coming. Aditya Jain. Which of the following help us to send and receive instant message? Instant messages. Aditya. Which of the following help us to send and receive? Which of the following help us to send and receive instant messages? Postal letter, radio, pager, television. I hope you don't know the answer. The correct answer is pager. Okay. Please search from internet what is pager. If you got some new word, please search from internet. It is a new options that have came. You can receive instant messages through this. Yuvam.
Okay, ma'am.
Yuvam. Traffic police read the question. Read the question, Yuvam. I'm not going to read the question.
Yes.
You have to read. Yuvam.
Traffic
Police. Traffic policeman guides people on the road through his hand gesture, shouting, flags. Hand gesture, shouting, flag.
shouting.
Have you seen any traffic police? आप रोड में ट्रैफिक पुलिस देखे हो कभी?
Yes.
वो कैसे पीपल को गाइड करते हैं? हाउ दे गाइड? हाथ उठा के करते हैं ना, हैंड जेस्चर फॉलो करते हैं ना, या चिल्लाते रहते हैं, शाउटिंग करते हैं? They are not shouting at all. They are not showing flags also, है ना? So they are using hand gesture. They are using hand gesture. So traffic policeman guides people on the road through his hand gesture. Yuvam, which is the correct option?
Hand gesture.
Gesture. Okay. So the correct answer is hand gesture. Anmol. If you send photographs in an email from India to your friend Japan, how long it will take to reach? Anmol, if you send photographs in an email, Anmol, where are you? Anmol, can you hear me? Your voice is not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
If you send photographs in an email from India to a friend in Japan, how long it will take to reach? Within a few seconds, from a few minutes to an hour, from a few days to a week? None of these. Which one is correct answer? अनमोल, आप अपने फ्रेंड को फोटोग्राफ्स भेजोगे ईमेल के थ्रू
From a few days of week.
फ्रॉम फ्यू डेज टू वीक. कितना दिन लगेगा? फ्यू डेज.
If yes, ma'am.
बॉयज नो, रॉन्ग आंसर, रॉन्ग आंसर. लक्ष्य,
Yes, ma'am. Answer is within few seconds.
yes, correct answer. Within a few seconds. If
मैम
you
क्योंकि अगर
mail
ईमेल
someone,
भेजोगे तो
हाँ,
मैम कुछ ही सेकंड में चला जाएगा.
बिल्कुल सही
अगर
आंसर.
पार्सल होता है
If
तो
you
वीक और
send any mail to your friend, whether they are living out of India or out of India,
कुछ सेकंड ही लगेंगे.
हाँ,
अगर
फिर
मैं
टाइम
उसको
बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा.
अगर बॉक्स में रख के कुछ भेजना होता तो वीक और मंथ्स लगते. वीक और मंथ्स लगते मैम. तो
If you send a letter
अगर ईमेल में
through
भेजना
postal,
होगा तो मैम फ्यू सेकंड्स लगेंगे.
बिल्कुल सही. अगर आप लेटर भेजोगे पोस्टल के थ्रू या टेलीग्राम भेजोगे तो भी कुछ आवर्स या कुछ दिन लग सकते हैं. बट आप मेल करोगे तो वो कहीं पे भी आप मेल करोगे, इट विल टेक हार्डली.
मैम कुछ सेकंड्स में चले जाएगा.
Yes. So if you send photographs in an email from India to a friend in Japan, how long it will take to reach? It will take maximum few seconds. So correct answer is within a few seconds. So this chapter almost completed, but yes, Kavisha.
मैम, आप
बोलो.
जब वर्ड ऑफ द डे दिखाए थे ना, उसके बाद बोले थे ना स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेने का. मेरा नहीं, मैं नहीं खींच सकी.
So I am before ending my class, I am again sharing word of the day. Too fast. Only 2 minutes are left.
Ma'am, this is riddle of the day, word of the day.
Wait. Yes. This is word of the day. Unanimous. Unanimous. Having the same opinion.
Ma'am,
Completely.
done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So have a nice day. Please revise the chapter.
Bye, ma'am.
Chapter thoroughly and try to find out some hard words or word meanings. If you are facing some difficulty, you can ask me in my next class. Okay? Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.